Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release and return to center, moving into a one-legged seated forward bend. Extend your right leg forward with your right foot flexed, rooting down through your heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. With an inhale, lengthen your spine, and on your exhale, lengthen your torso forward, keeping your core engaged and your right leg active by flexing through your right heel. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Lift your torso to upright. Keep your right foot where it is as you draw your left knee in towards your chest. With your right hand to your left leg, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, twisting from your navel, ribs, and chest, reaching your left arm back and open to the left. Unwind and return to center, repeating on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, keeping your core engaged and your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. Continue breathing deeply, keeping your left leg active by flexing through your left heel, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Lift your torso to upright. Maintain the energy and alignment in your left leg as you draw your right knee in towards your chest. With your left hand to your right leg, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, twisting from your navel, ribs, and chest, reaching your right arm back and open to the right. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.